Hello my dear students, in my previous video we have discussed the problems on how to form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions. Next problem, that is equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y. Solution by data, that is equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y. Call this equation 1. It should be noted that there are two arbitrary functions and hence we find the second order partial derivatives. Also. Here in the given problem, only one arbitrary function. Then we need to find out only the first order partial derivative. Here we have the two functions. Here we have the two arbitrary function, that is f of x and pi of y. We need to find out the second order partial derivatives. First differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. First, what is the differentiation of z with respect to x partially? Dou z by dou x, that is equal to, what is the dou z by dou x? That is p. P is equal to, here y is the constant, right, as it is. What is the differentiation of f of x? That is f dash of x, plus here what is the differentiation of x? X is 1 into pi of y, call this equation 2. Similarly, differentiate the equation 1 partially with respect to y and keeping x as constant. Therefore, what is the differentiation of z partially with respect to y? Dou z by dou y, that is equal to, what is the dou z by dou y by notation? That is q. Q is equal to, here differentiation of y is 1 into f of x is f of x, plus here with respect to y, x is the constant, right, as it is. What is the differentiation of pi of y? That is a pi dash of y. Call this equation 3. Next, differentiate equation 2 with respect to z, with respect to x once again. That is dou square z divided by dou x square, that is equal to, by notation, what is the dou square z divided by dou x square? That is r. R is equal to, differentiate once again with respect to x, we get dou square z divided by dou x square. Here with respect to x, here y is the constant, right, as it is. Here what is the differentiation of f dash of x? It is f double dash of x. And with respect to x, pi of y is the constant, the differentiation of constant is 0. We get only y into f double dash of x. Call this equation 4. Here how to get dou square z divided by dou y square? Differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to y. We get dou square z divided by dou y square. Therefore, dou square z divided by dou y square, that is equal to, by notation, what is the dou square z divided by dou y square? That is t. T is equal to, here with respect to y, f of x is the constant, the difference of constant is 0. Here with respect to y, x is the constant, right, as it is. Here what is the differentiation of pi dash of y? Pi double dash of y. Call this equation 5. Next, here how to get dou square z divided by dou x into dou y? Here differentiate dou z by dou y with respect to x. Differentiate dou z by dou y with respect to x. We get dou square z divided by dou x into dou y. Therefore, next, differentiate this term, equation 3, with respect to x. Therefore, dou square z divided by dou x into dou y. That is equal to, by notation, this is s. S is equal to, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, what is the differentiation of f of x? F dash of x, plus here with respect to x, the differentiation of x is 1 into pi dash of y is pi dash of y. Call this equation 6. Now from equation 2, here this can be written as, here shifting pi of y here, therefore that is p minus pi of y, and cross multiply y goes to the denominator. Therefore f dash of x is equal to, p minus pi of y divided by y. And from equation 3, write pi dash of y is equal to what? Therefore here pi dash of y is equal to, here shifting this term f of x to the left side, that will become minus. Therefore q minus f of x is equal to x into pi dash of y. What is pi dash of y? Cross multiply this term, it goes to the denominator. Therefore q minus f of x divided by x, that is equal to pi dash of y. And using these in equation 6, therefore here s is equal to S is equal to, what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to p minus pi of y divided by y plus, then next pi dash of y is equal to, what is pi dash of y? Q minus pi dash of y is equal to q minus f of x divided by x. Next s is equal to, here take the LCM. LCM is x into y. LCM is xy, and here multiply x. Therefore px minus here x into pi of y plus multiply with y, y into q, qy. If plus into minus is minus, y into f of x. This is the LCM. Next cross multiply. Therefore xy into s, that is equal to, here p of x. First write, then write q of I. Here in these two term, minus is common term, take it outside. X into pi of y plus here y into f of x. Therefore using 1 in RHS we get, therefore write this term as it is, p of x plus q of y minus, here what is this term? This is the given condition, z is equal to what? Using the what equation? Using equation 1. Therefore what is the equation 1? This is the equation 1. What is y into f of x plus x into pi of y? That is z. Therefore here this can be written as x into pi of y plus y into f of x can be written as z. Therefore xy into s, shifting this term minus z, it will become plus z. Therefore xy s plus z, that is equal to px plus qy is the required PDE. Here we must write this in the form of p into p plus q into q, that is equal to r form. Here capital P is x, capital Q is y. Therefore p into p plus q into q, that is equal to the remaining terms, that is r, is the required PDE. This is a very important problem for the examination point of view. Next topic, the solution of the non-homogeneous partial differential equations by direct integration. Solve dou square u divided by dou x square, that is equal to x plus y. Here what is the solution? Here u is the solution. The dependent variable u, that is the solution for the given differential equation. For next consider, is it a non-homogeneous equation? Yes, it is non-homogeneous partial differential equation, because here these two term not a dependent variable or a derivative, yes or no? Here what is the homogeneous? Every term must contain either the dependent variable or one of its partial derivative. But in these two terms, they are not a dependent variable, they don't have the derivative. Therefore this is non-homogeneous. Therefore solution, consider dou square divided by dou x square, that is equal to x plus y, and this can be written as dou by dou x into dou u by dou x, that is equal to x plus y. Here next integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. Here how to, why we differentiate here? Why we integrate here? If we integrate with respect to x, here the derivative get cancelled. Only we get dou u by dou x. That's why we integrate with respect to independent variable, that is x, and here this is the partial derivative. Therefore treating y as constant. Therefore integrating with respect to x on both sides. Therefore the integration of dou by dou x of dou u by dou x, here the integration and derivative get cancelled, only we get dou u by dou x, that is equal to, here integration with respect to x and treating y as constant. Therefore the integration of x plus y with respect to x plus, what is the constant here? Y is constant. Y can be y constant. Therefore I take f of y as integration constant, because y is constant. Therefore the function of y is constant. Next dou u by dou x is equal to, here what is the integration of x? X square by 2 plus, what is the integration of y? Here with respect to x, y is a constant. What is the integration of constant? Constant into variable. Therefore y into x or x into y plus f of y, right as it is. Again, how to get u? There is a derivative with respect to x. Therefore integrating with respect to x, we get u. Therefore integrating with respect to x again and keeping y as constant. Therefore what is the integration of dou by dou x? What is the integration of dou u by dou x? That is u only. Therefore, because integration and derivative get cancelled, only we get u is equal to, therefore integration on both sides, therefore integration of x square by 2 plus xy plus f of y with respect to x, therefore dx plus what is the constant here? Here with respect to x, y is constant. I take a g of y as constant because already we have taken one constant f of y. We take another constant g of y. You should remember that integrating with respect to x, y is constant. Integrating with respect to y, x is constant. Therefore, u is equal to integrate with respect to x. What is the integration of x square? X cube by 3. Therefore, 2 into 3, 6 plus here with respect to x, here y is the constant, right as it is. What is the integration of x? X square by 2 plus here with respect to x, f of y is the constant. What is the integration of constant? Constant into x. Therefore, x into f of y plus write g of y as it is the required solution. Second problem, solve dou cube y dou by dou x square into dou y, that is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. Is it non-homogeneous? Yes, it is non-homogeneous because this term does not contain any derivative or a dependent variable z. Therefore, this is non-homogeneous. Therefore, the given PDE can be written as, this can be written as, first write dou by dou x, dou by dou x, dou by dou x into dou z by dou y. By the property of the PDE, this can be written as this one because this is the third derivative, independent variable is z. Here dou by dou x into dou by dou x is dou by dou x square, dou into dou x square, dou x square. Therefore, this can be written as this one. It is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. Why we write this one? Because of integration. We are going to integrate. That's why we have written this as dou by dou x into dou by dou x into dou z by dou y. That is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. Next, how to eliminate this derivative? By integrating with respect to x. Therefore, next the integration and derivative get cancelled, we get this one. Therefore, integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant. Therefore, what is the integration of dou by dou x? The integration and derivative get cancelled, only we get dou by dou x into dou z by dou y, that is equal to integrate on both sides with respect to x. Therefore, the integration of cos of 2x plus 3y into dx. What is the constant? Y is constant. I take f of y as constant. Therefore, here dou by dou x right as it is, dou by dou x into dou z by dou y, that is equal to, what is the integration of cos of 2x plus 3y into dx? What is the integration of cos of x plus b? Cos of sin of x plus b divided by the coefficient of x. Therefore, similarly, the integration of cos of 2x plus 3y is sin of 2x plus 3y divided by the coefficient of x is 2 plus f of y, right as it is. Again, how to eliminate this one? There is a derivative with respect to x. Therefore, integrate with respect to x on both sides. We get only dou z by dou y. Therefore, again integrating with respect to x. Therefore, derivative and integration get cancelled. Only we get dou z by dou y, that is equal to, again this integrate this with respect to x and keeping y as constant. Therefore, the integration of this one plus f of y into dx plus what is the constant here? With respect to x, g of y is the constant. Take another constant because already we have taken f of y. It is equal to, here 1 by 2 is the constant right outside. What is the integration of sin 2x plus 3y minus of cos 2x plus 3y divided by the coefficient of x is 2 plus here what is the integration of f of y? Here with respect to x, f of y is the constant. What is the integration of constant? Constant into variable x. Therefore, x into f of y plus g of y. Therefore, dou z by dou y, that is equal to, here plus into minus is minus, here 2 into 2, 4 cos of 2x plus 3y plus x into f of y plus g of y. And how to get the solution? What is the solution here? Here the dependent variable is the solution. Therefore, z is the solution. Here how to get z? Again here integrate with respect to y because it is a derivative with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. Therefore, the derivative get cancelled. We get only z. Therefore, integrate with, you finally integrating with respect to y. What is the constant here? With respect to y, x is the constant. Therefore, the integration and derivative get cancelled. Only z is equal to here minus the integration of cos 2x plus 3y divided by 4 plus x into f of y plus g of y into dy, because with respect to y, plus what is the constant? Here x is a constant. I will take h of x. H of x, that is the integration constant. Therefore, z is equal to, here right, minus 1 divided by 4, that is constant. What is the integration of cos of 2x plus 3y? That is sine of 2x plus 3y. This is positive. Plus sine of 2x plus 3y divided by, here with respect to x, therefore write the coefficient of y, therefore divided by 3. Plus x into f of y. Here integrate this one. Therefore, x write as it is. Here integrate the integration of f of y into dy. Here with respect to y, here f of y is not a constant. Therefore, the integration of f of y, into dy, I take it as a capital F of y. Capital F of y. What is the capital F of y? F of y, that is the integration of f of y into dy. That is unknown function. The integration of unknown function, again we get an unknown function. Here what is capital F of y? The integration of f of y into dy. That is f of y. Therefore, x into capital F of y plus here what is the integration of g of y into dy? Here g of y is the unknown function. The integration of g of y into dy is capital G of y. You must write this is small y, this is small g, this is capital G, this is small f, this is capital F. Therefore, the integration of g of y into dy is capital G of y plus h of x. Therefore, that is equal to, write minus as it is. Here sine of 2x plus 3y divided by 4 into 3 is 12 plus x into capital F of y plus capital G of y plus h of x. This is the required solution for the non-homogeneous PDE. Next problem, that is very important problem. Solve dou square z divided by dou x into dou y, that is equal to sin x into sin y, for which dou z by dou y, that is equal to minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0 if y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, or this can be written as, here z is equal to 0 if y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. What is the odd multiple? That is 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. What is meant by odd multiple? Odd multiple means odd number. The multiple of odd number, that is 1 into pi by 2, 3 into pi by 2, 5 into pi by 2, 7 into pi by 2, and so on. Put n is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 into pi by 2. Put n is equal to 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Sorry, put n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 pi by 2. Put n is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 in 5 pi by 2. Therefore, this is the odd multiple of pi by 2. Solution. Here you must observe that this is the non-homogeneous function, because this term does not contain, this term is not a dependent variable z and a partial derivative. Therefore, this is non-homogeneous. Therefore, this can be written as dou by dou x into dou z by dou y, that is equal to sin x into sin y. This can be written as this by using the property of the PDE. Therefore, here how to get the solution? What is the solution here? Z is the solution. Therefore, how to eliminate dou by dou x? Integrating with respect to this variable, integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. Then integration and derivative get cancelled. Only we get dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y, that is equal to, here integrating with respect to x. Therefore, here sin y, here with respect to x, sin y is the constant right outside. The integration of sin x with respect to x, that is dx, plus what is the constant? F of y. Therefore, that is equal to sin y right as it is. What is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x plus f of y. Therefore, dou z by dou y, that is equal to, here plus into minus is minus sin y into cos x plus f of y. Call this equation 1. Here you must write a bracket, because this is a sin y into minus cos x. Don't write a sin y minus cos x. That is wrong. Call this equation 1. And how to get z? integrating with respect to independent variable. What is the independent variable here? Y. Therefore, integrating with respect to y, we get only z because the integration and derivative get cancelled. And here with respect to y, what is the constant? X is the constant. Therefore, here integrating with respect to y, the integration and derivative dou by dou y get cancelled. Only we get z, that is equal to here the integration of minus sin y into cos x plus f of y with respect to y, that is dy, plus what is the integration constant? X is the constant. Take g of y as the constant. Therefore, z is equal to here with first integrate with respect to y. What is the here? Cos x is the constant. Cos x is the constant, right, as it is. What is the integration of minus sin y with respect to y? The integration of sin y is minus cos y. Therefore, minus of minus plus cos y. Therefore, cos y into cos x. Next, what is the integration of f of y into dy? Right, integration of f of y into dy plus g of y. Call this equation 2. Otherwise, you can call this equation 2. Therefore, by the data, what is the dou z by dou y? Here there is a given condition. Dou z by dou y, that is equal to minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of dou z by dou y? Minus 2 into sin y. Therefore, using this data. Here using this data in equation 1, because the dou z by dou y is in equation 1. That's why using this data in equation 1. What is the dou z by dou y when x is equal to 0? Dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y. It is equal to when x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. 1 into some minus sin y, plus here f of plus f of y, right, as it is. Therefore, here cos 0 is 1 into minus sin y minus sin y. And here shifting this term to the left side, it will become minus. Therefore, minus 2 sin y, right, as it is. Here this will become plus sin y. Therefore, f of y is equal to minus 2 sin y plus sin y is minus sin y. Substitute this in equation 2. We get the final solution because z is a solution. Therefore, z is equal to, next line, that implies equation 2 implies z is equal to, write cos y into cos x as it is, plus what is the integration of f of y into dy? It is minus here minus sin y into dy plus g of x. Therefore, z is equal to cos y into cos x into cos y. Here the integration of sin y is minus cos y. Therefore, minus of minus is plus cos y plus g of y. Call this equation 3. Again, using the data, z is equal to 0 if y is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Z is equal to 0 if y is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. Or z is equal to 0 if y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Therefore, by data, z is equal to 0 if y is equal to, this is the odd multiple of pi by 2 using in equation 3. Therefore, z is equal to 0. 0 is equal to cos y. Here cos x into cos y. What is y? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus cos of what is y? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus g of y. Therefore, here the value of cos of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is 0. This value is 0. Therefore, this value is 0. Therefore, 0 into anything is 0. And here also 0 into anything, here this is 0. Therefore, 0, 0. G of x is equal to what? G of x is equal to 0. Substitute in equation 3. Therefore, z is equal to cos x into cos y plus cos y. Here g of x is equal to 0. Therefore, only we get this one. Here in these two terms, cos y is the constant. Take it outside. What is the remaining term? Cos x. Here cos y is the common term. What is the remaining term? Plus 1 is the required solution. Thank you.